Are you looking for the best 16 inches chainsaw? In this video, we will break down the top 6 16 inches chainsaws on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1. Remington BA0177 ZULZI 16 inches chainsaw. The model can be used by people who are not experts in this field, given that you can easily operate it. Provided you can locate the on-off button, you are good to go. The creators have designed it in the way that this saw is strong and has excellent performance when it comes to cutting. The model is meant for those who have to trim occasionally or have light pruning duties to perform. It warns against using it to cut logs that have diameters beyond 12 inches. Also, its handles are cushioned so that you can easily grip it during work. The anti-vibration system also makes it easy to use. The machine performs perfectly since its chain moves fast. The speed is approximately 19 meters per second. For the best performance, you should clean it after usage to keep it in good condition. Keep the chain at the right tension so that it does not slip. During use, ensure the chain is taut and sharp before you begin cutting with it. Moreover, the on-off switches work efficiently and operate according to what you need. It has a throttle switch, which prevents it from accelerating unexpectedly. There is also a handguard at the front to protect your hand from injuries if the saw slips while in operation. At number 2. HUSQVARNA 16 inches 440E2 gas chainsaw. These are the finest power tools. It is one of the most reliable and powerful chainsaws. This is thanks to its 40.9cc engine, which puts out 2.4 HP, which is a decent amount of horsepower for such a small engine. This chainsaw is how it was designed for minimizing vibration while using. While this doesn't sound like much to some, after several hours of use your hands will thank you. Mixing this with it only weighing roughly 11 pounds makes this a joy to use over extended periods of time. With one full tank of fuel you can get about 2 hours of use, which is very efficient when you need to travel far from home to cut trees down. While 2 hours of use is about the average time per tank of gas, pushing this chainsaw to its limits will reduce the amount of time. At number 3. GREENWORKS 20312 16 inches cordless chainsaw. This chainsaw is a 16-inch, 40-volt cordless design that uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last through 150 cuts. The brushless motor is designed for maximum torque to handle heavier cut loads and includes safety features such as an electric chain brake and low kickback design. It also has a 70% vibration reduction to keep you from feeling fatigue quite as quickly. An automatic oiler ensures a smooth cutting surface and uninterrupted work time. As well, it is made for light to moderate workloads. This option provides lightweight durability for excellent use around the home and yard. It runs up to 50% quieter than other electric options, making it perfect for residential areas. At number 4. DEWALT DCCS 690M 140V Max XR chainsaw. This 40V Max brushless chainsaw delivers the performance of gas with the convenience of being cordless. It is equipped with a powerful brushless motor and a 16-inch bar. This battery-operated chainsaw glides through a variety of cutting diameters with the cut speed of gas and reliability of battery-powered equipment. Also, this unit features auto-oiling with LubriLink and LubriWell delivering smooth cuts, long chain life and reduced maintenance. The tool-free tensioning system allows for quick bar and chain adjustments with no additional tools required. This is effective and economical for light to medium cutting projects. This cordless chainsaw comes with a low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain. At number 5. Remington RM1645 16 inches electric chainsaw. This 12-amp 16 inches chainsaw is a multi-use, lightweight, high-performance machine with a 12-amp electric motor ideal for trimming and pruning limbs and branches in addition to other cleanup tasks. It has all the conveniences needed to make yard cleanup quick and easy. The lightweight ergonomic design and overmold comfort handle provides lightweight, balanced and low vibration during operation. Also, the compact design provides maximum maneuverability and fits perfectly into those hard-to-reach spaces, and even makes trimming hedges and bushes quick and easy, without the need for refills or gas. The 16 inches low kickback bar and chain allow for improved cutting performance, while the side-mounted tensioning system saves time and ensures chain tension stays consistent, as chain adjustments are quickly made while working. Besides, the auto-oiler system maintains the proper amount of lubricant on the chain, helps to keep the chain sharp, in addition to ensuring the saw cuts smoothly and safely. This low-noise, lightweight chainsaw is ready to go with the pull of the trigger, and is ideal for trimming branches, pruning limbs, shaping hedges, and cleaning out bushes. Finally, it is backed by a 2-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. At number 6. Makita UC4051A Chainsaw. This 16 inches chainsaw comes with a large trigger switch that you can find easily, gloves or no gloves. The tool-less blade adjuster lets you adjust your chain, no matter where you are when it gets loose. An appropriately tightened chain and a good grip on the rubberized handles will help you maintain control of this rather heavy chainsaw and give you a smoother cut. For your safety, this chainsaw has a built-in chain brake to help keep you and others around you from getting injured in case of any kickback. There's also a built-in current limiter that reduces the amount of power to the motor when it's under a heavy load. This helps protect your engine from overheating. Furthermore, this chainsaw has an automatic oiling system. The oil reservoir is large and has a window that allows you to check your oil levels effortlessly. It's in an awkward place on the chainsaw though, which makes pouring oil into it challenging.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.